Boom shakalaka, big moves for Bitcoin. This could be the tipping point. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, the countdown, 1 week left for Bitcoin before a massive breakout. This could be the catalyst. Before we get into it, like the video, join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love, and of course, subscribe to the oldest Bitcoin crypto YouTube channel making daily videos longer than everybody else. Now today, Fear and Greed, dead neutral, 50 across the board, dead neutral 50 with a little bit of greed in there just for fun, just to remind you of what good times were like. The overall market sideways today, Bitcoin at 96,159, Ethereum 2793, and XRP 257. Now, Bitcoin due to break out of this wedge by the 2nd of March, about 1 week left. Will it go up? Will it go down? I don't know, but I'm excited to see. Now, historically, February has been a good month for Bitcoin, 14% gains. This year, so far, crickets in February. As a matter of fact, as every cohort from less than 1 Bitcoin to greater than 10,000 Bitcoin has been selling Bitcoin, and yet the price still remains around $95,000. But, you know, it's changing. Sellers are getting exhausted. You can see selling from long-term Bitcoin holders looks to be exhausted once again. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean that the price is going to turn around right now, because if we take a look at the last time that sell levels were exhausted where they are right now, Bitcoin price still went sideways for months before price went up. So it may just mean price is no longer going to go down. But right now, leverage across all markets, yearly highs, signaling increased risk of liquidation events, wedge breakout, squeeze, short squeeze, long squeeze, whatever it turns out to be. But there's going to be some big moves coming for Bitcoin. And this is no surprise, as we are in oversold territory on the Stochh RSI. Every time this happens, that's reaccumulation, and then afterwards, Bitcoin price breaks out. Also, if we take a look here at the daily Bollinger Bands, the tightest they've been so far in 2025, you can see the gap right here on the bottom, the tightest they have been so far. Generally, after they get tight, there's a big price movement. And if we also take a look at the monthly RSI, highly compressed, again, all these indicators signaling a big Bitcoin movement. Don't know up, don't know down, but as of right now, we are still in a bull market, so it only makes sense for it to go up, but, you know, could disappoint a lot of people. Now, this one thing right here could be the catalyst for Bitcoin's next big move. If we take a look at history, gold here is in red, Bitcoin is in orange. Every time gold tops out, Bitcoin goes on its banana parabolic bull run. This happened in 2016, happened here again in 2020, and guess what? Gold has been ripping recently, but there's evidence it may have topped out. Gold has triggered a yearly perfected TD9 sell setup. The last time this happened was in 2010, as the Great Recession came to an end. The year 2011 was the final high. So could gold be topping out? And if gold does top out, does that mean that Bitcoin gets to go on its big rally? Goodness, I hope so. Well, the downside right now, short-term holder call space is 92.5. We're right around there. But the potential upside on the 2-year MA multiplier right now, at least $260,000 per Bitcoin. So looks like things could go up a lot higher. And for altcoins as well, as we just had this giant cross on the weekly EMA 200, SMA 200. The last time this happened was the beginning of alt season. So if you want to know what altcoins are going to perform very well, check out that playlist right up there, Crypto Price Predictions 2025. We predicted the 5x XRP pump 4 months before it even happened. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
Boom shakalaka.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.